Hi, I'm Jer. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we are going to make a Cherry C.O.F. Cuban Old Fashioned. To make this drink, I'm going to start with 1.5 teaspoons of my homemade cherry syrup, and the recipe is here on the channel if you want to check it out. 1.5 teaspoons is 7.5 milliliters. And I'm going to put that right in the glass. Next, the bitters. I'm using Bittercube's Cherry Bark Vanilla Bitters. These work brilliant in here. If you can't get your hands on these for some reason, I have used orange bitters and I've used chocolate bitters, and they work well as well. These are the official bitters, but use the bitters that you like. 5 drops, in case I didn't mention that before. And then the rum. 2 ounces, 60 milliliters of your aged rum. Now, using the teaspoon that I left in there, I'm just going to give it a quick stir. And the ice. For an old-fashioned, it's very traditional to use a fancy large ice cube. And I have these skull-shaped silicone molds, so that's where I'm getting my ice from. If you don't have a large fancy ice cube, you can use smaller ice cubes as well. Give me a moment while I wrestle this out though. Done! And these are from my friend Will. Thank you, Will. I'm going to drop that right in the glass. Finally, garnish. I've drank these without garnish. I drank these with a candy cherry of some sort. Today I'm going to be using a twist of orange. I'll let you choose whether you want to garnish or not, whether you want it to be a cherry or a twist or both. Express, wipe, and drop. And there you have it. A Cherry C.O.F. or Cherry Cuban Old Fashioned. Drink with good spirits.